Welcome to the enchanting world of migratory birds in winter, where the wetlands of Bangladesh become a temporary haven for thousands of winged travelers. Every year, as winter descends upon the northern hemisphere, a remarkable phenomenon unfolds in the heart of South Asia. The wetlands of Bangladesh transform into a vital stopover for migratory birds seeking refuge and sustenance. Thousands of kilometers away, migratory birds embark on an incredible journey, seeking refuge from the harsh cold of their breeding grounds. These birds travel thousands of kilometers, navigating across borders and continents. We don't understand how they navigate so accurately, although experiments have shown that they are influenced by magnetic fields, a sense that humans don't have. Some of them even manage to get some sleep while flying. Migratory birds face a number of environmental challenges during their travels each year, such as habitat loss, climate change, pollution, collision with man-made structures, overhunting, poaching, and disease. Witness the skies adorned with the elegant dance of wings, as flocks of birds find solace in the welcoming embrace of Bangladesh. Bangladesh plays a crucial role in their migratory journey. The wetlands provide a rich tapestry of ecosystems, from rivers and lakes to marshes and coastal areas, creating an ideal habitat for a multitude of bird species. These areas act as a crucial pit stop for these migratory birds. They find abundant food sources, favorable climate conditions, and undisturbed breeding grounds. Preserving these wetlands is not just about protecting our biodiversity. It's about maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. But the story goes beyond the birds and the wetlands. It intertwines with the lives of the people who coexist with these winged visitors. We have lived alongside these migratory birds for generations. It's a part of our cultural heritage. The birds bring with them a sense of wonder and magic. Our community takes pride in being custodians of this natural spectacle. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Dedicated conservationists and researchers are working tirelessly to protect these migratory birds and their habitats. Through research, education, and community involvement, these unsung heroes are paving the way for a sustainable coexistence between humans and nature. As we conclude our brief journey into the winter migration of birds in Bangladesh, let us appreciate the beauty of these fleeting moments. The skies may seem vast, but they connect us all across borders, reminding us that the protection of our environment is a shared responsibility. The story of migratory birds in winter is a testament to the interconnectedness of our world, where the flight of a bird reflects the health of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of wings across the borders. May the skies always be filled with the harmonious melodies of these migratory travelers.